Buying new floors should feel exciting. Fresh look, clean lines, that wow moment when you walk in barefoot. But I've seen something else too. The long face, the quiet pause, the sentence that always starts the same way. I wish someone told me this before. This blog is about the $15,000 flooring regret. Not a scam, not bad luck, just one common mistake that shows up again and again in the Bay Area homes. Let's walk it through together. Calm, clear, no pressure, just truth. Here it is, plain and simple. People choose flooring by how it looks, not by how it lives. They fall in love with the color, a plank width, a photo online. But floors are not wall paint. You walk on them, you spill on them, drop things on them. Let kids, pets, tenant, and time attack them daily. When the floor doesn't match the home's real life, regret shows up fast and expensive. Below are 7 specific mistakes that lead to regret. Number 1, choosing the wrong material for your lifestyle. This is the big one. Homeowner with dogs chooses soft hardwood flooring. A rental owner chooses cheap laminate. A busy family picks a floor that hates water. 6 months later, the calls start. Scratches, swelling, gaps. The floor did not fail, but the decision failed. If you cook a lot, have kids, or rent the place out, luxury vinyl plank or engineered hardwood usually wins. If you want warmth and value in a calm home, hardwood flooring shines. Looks matter, but life matters more. Number 2, ignoring subfloor and prep work. Most homeowners never see the subfloor. That's a problem. If the subfloor is uneven, dirty, or weak, the best floor in the world will fail. You'll hear it first. Creaks, pops, hollow sounds. Then you'll see it. Edges lifting, seams opening. Fixing this after install often means tearing everything out. This is where the $15,000 regret lives. A good flooring contractor talks about prep before talking about color. Always. Number 3, trusting online prices without context. Online prices look friendly until they're not. $2.99 per square foot sounds great until install is extra, prep is extra, delivery is extra, removal is extra. Now the floor costs double and the installer rushes to make numbers work. Real floor installation cost is about full picture. Material plus install plus prep plus warranty. Number 4, choosing waterproof floors without understanding waterproof. This one hurts. Many people hear waterproof flooring and think nothing can go wrong. But here's the truth. Most waterproof flooring means the plank resists water. It does not mean your home ignores leak. Water under the floor is still a problem. Plumbing issues are still a problem. LPP installation done right helps a lot. Words matter, details matter. Number 5, mixing too many floor types in one home. I see this often in Bay Area homes. Tile in kitchen, laminate in hallway, hardwood in living room, carpet in bedrooms. Each transition costs money. Each change breaks the flow. The home feels chopped up, not calm. 1 or 2 well-chosen floors usually look better and cost less long-term. Simple wins. Number 6, hiring installers without long-term accountability. This is a quite mistake. The install looks fine on day 1. Problem typically shows up on month 6. You call the installer. The number is disconnected. A real flooring contractor stands behind the work. Licensed, insured, local, easy to find. Floors that last decades. Installers should last longer than the job. Number 7, rushing the decision. The most expensive sentence in flooring is this: let's just get it done. Rush choices, skip questions. Skip questions create regret. Good flooring decisions feel calm, clear, thoughtful. If someone pressures you, slow down. But if someone educates you, you lean in. So, what is the $15,000 regret really about? It's not about money. It's about having to do it twice. Tear out, dump fees, new material, new install, stress. All because the first decision skip one key step. Matching the floor to real life of the home. That's it. That's a secret. The best floors do not shout. They quietly support life. If you avoid the mistakes above, your floors will look right, last long, and feel good every day you walk on them. That's the goal. Nothing fancy, just wise choices.